Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of InDesign Secrets, and in this video, I'll show you how to use justification settings to make more text fit in a given area without tracking. In my file, I need to bring up this last word fragment, so it sits on this line here. And the most common way people do this is to use tracking. They select all the text, and go to the control panel and lower the tracking value. But when you do this, InDesign applies that same negative value to all the selected text, tightening up the space between all the letters, which in some cases can worsen the overall appearance of the type. So let's look at an alternative, which is to just tighten up the spacing between words. First I'll undo, and I'll put my cursor in the paragraph, and go to the Control Panel menu and open the Justification Settings dialog box. I'll make sure that Preview is turned on, and to illustrate the effect of changing word spacing, I'm going to enter some extreme values for the minimum and maximum. Then I'll adjust the desired value with the up and down arrow keys on my keyboard. Notice that no matter how much I lower or raise the value, the spacing within each word stays the same. It's only the spacing between the words that changes. I'll go back to 100% for the desired value and set the minimum and maximum to more reasonable values, like 85% and 115%. And now I can lower the desired value just a little bit to bring up that word fragment. So the next time you need to make more text fit in a given space, consider using the justification settings instead of tracking. It's not quite as convenient, but you can often get better looking type in the end. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out InDesignSecrets.com and subscribe to InDesign Magazine.